30 minutes, there's another episode of All Creatures Grunt and Smell. But let's meet up with Lumpy, Bob and Bird for Retro TV.
Hello, YouTubers! Very well, welcome back to a brand new episode of Retro TV with Lumpy, Bob and Bird. And before we start this week, I've got a shout out.
What's that?
To Paul, the golf bandit. Now, he's a big fan of yours.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, he thinks you're very funny.
You want to see a Dr. Paul, but thanks very much. Thanks for the like. Be a subscriber.
I hope you enjoy this episode. And anyway, what were you doing this week?
Well, this week, right, we're West Side. We're going down in the, we're going to the 90s. We've been asked by people in the street and at the golf club if we can do a 90s theme, so we're going to do that. The best of UK, or some of the best UK TV from the 90s. Again, it's a TV theme quiz. We know you like them, so
bring it on, and we're bringing in the younger members. That'll be good. Only a couple of years younger, but he's still younger.
So we've got the Barlow bonus as well. We've got the Lumpy Bob bonus. We've got It's Barlow time. Good old Ken. He's going through it at the moment, isn't he? Bless him. With her that used to be in Brookside, being ripped off. Anyway, we're going to do a Coronation Street special at some time. We don't know when. But are you ready?
Yes, ready.
For the 90s.
Go.
90s TV themes. We're going to start with the first one. We're going to give you the usual 5 seconds after each theme and tell us what it is. If you like this, what we do, like, subscribe, comment, put it down below. Thank you, Elmo. If you're there, Elmo. He pops up every now and again. Here's the first one. What's the theme? 5 seconds afterwards. Well, that was short and sweet, wasn't it?
Wasn't it?
Shall I play it again?
Yeah.
I'll play it again.
Do it again. I'm stuck already. Probably that one.
No.
That one.
No, it's not that one. Do you know what it is?
No.
We'll give you 5 seconds from...
No. Right, I'll start at the top and come down. That one. No.
No?
No. 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 No.
Go to that one.
Is he really?
Yeah. So we're going to tell you then. What was it, Lumpy?
It was absolutely fabulous. Ab.
That's how good it is with this TV theme. Anyway.
Stuck on the first one.
Now, if you're stuck on that one, you might get stuck on this one because this is not what you think it is. It is what an old theme that's been reconstructed. What is it? Here we go. There's the clue.
Shut me off, I'm going knackered.
Well, that's our workout for the day. We don't need the gym when we've got that, and we'll tell what it is in 5 seconds from...
No.
Would you have known what that was if I hadn't told you?
No, it was Blue Peter. Did you get that right?
Blue Peter from 1996.
There you go.
Oh,
So,
that hurt.
good. Next.
Are you ready for the next one? Here are, and this is a vocal version of a TV theme. Vocal version, lovely version I'm going to play a part of it. What was it?
All the dreams that you had when it all lay before you. All the plans that you made, all the things you would do. All the schemes that you knew time would bring to fruition. Did they happen? Not so far, at least not to you. Day by day, drops of water wear the stone away.
That's good song.
Day by day, drops of water wear the stone away.
What
Okay,
for
yeah. Absolutely. You know what? I really love that version. I think it was so nice. It was actually recorded from an episode of Parkinson. But
I
what
think
word
he
was
had
it?
bleeding Parkinson's when he wrote that. Go on.
We'll tell you in 5 seconds from.
No. That wasn't very nice.
What was it though?
Oh, hold on a minute. Dinner Ladies.
Recorded by?
Yeah.
Who sang it?
Victoria Wood.
So who wrote it?
Must have been Victoria Wood.
It was the late great Victoria Wood, bless her.
Knowledge. Absolute knowledge.
Love that series. I think it's so funny. Such a great cast. Such a great cast. Are you ready for the next one? If you are, here we go. It's a short one.
Let's
And
go.
so was the series actually.
Oh, that's why I don't know it. Nobody else will neither.
Told you it was a short theme, and it was also a short series. It didn't last long. What was it? We'll tell you in 5 from.
Like it. Now.
All right, what was it then?
It was El Dorado.
Yeah, that great TV classic.
Great.
TV classic. Classic? No. It was recorded. It was recorded and written by the great Simon May. He's the guy who composed the themes to Howard's Way and EastEnders, of course.
They lasted a bit longer.
Are you ready for another one?
Yes. Let's
Here
go.
we go. Let's have a bit more comedy. Here we are. Hey! Another short one. This is not going to last long this week, is it? Do you know what it was? We'll tell you in 5 seconds from.
No.
Worked it out yet?
Yeah. That one.
And the answer was.
Harry Enfield and Chums.
Mmm.
Yes. I knew that one. He helped with all the whatever he was doing.
Are you ready for another one? Here
Yes.
we go.
Yes.
Bit of classic. Here we are. Not a clue.
No idea. I'm going to guess it is that one.
No.
No. That one.
Ba-da-bum-bum. No.
That one.
5 seconds from.
No.
It was.
I don't know.
Well done. It was.
That one.
Yes.
Keeping up appearances. Yes. I knew that all the time. only done for comedy effect did it work.
No, there's no comedy. All right, but talking about comedy, we're going to give you a classic comedy now. Here we go. What is it? Oh, bit of acting there. That was yeah, a bit of acting. What was it? We'll tell you in 5 seconds from.
No.
And you know, if you say Downton Abbey, I'm going to knock your head off.
Men behaving badly. Now that was my favourite of the 90s sitcoms. Absolutely brilliant. Don't know.
Do you know who? Do you know who was the original duo?
Yeah,
Behaving badly.
it was Harry Enfield.
Harry Enfield.
Yes.
Before
Or Rocky.
Rocky from Boone. Neil Morrissey, well done.
Yeah.
You're very good. You've been researching, haven't you?
No. Knowledge. That's all it is. It's up here. It's here.
Are you ready for another one?
Yes.
Here we go. Bit more subdued. That's not our dog, by the way.
What the hell is this? Yeah. I just remember the light thing of it. Is it like the moon or something?
Do you know what that was? We'll tell you in 5 from.
No.
And the answer was.
Mr. Bean. Now he does a bit of an impression of him.
Hello, my name's Bean. Here's my teddy. Sorry.
I told you it was a bit of an impression. Right.
Right.
Next.
We're gonna have another one.
Yes, go on. Another one.
Come here.
Dog. That's a dog.
No, she's not making an appearance. Come here. Let me make an appearance. Go on. No. Go. Go. Lie down. We're off again. Here we go.
Oh, I'm on my own again. Well, what can I say? It seems to be a bit of a weekly occurrence that I'm left here all on my own. Just because he's got to go out and do his bits. You know what I mean? But he's gone now. He's gone. He'll be back in a minute when he's emptied his water. Just talk among yourselves. You know, well, there you go. Yeah. We'll be back.
Hello.
Thanks.
Here we go. You ready for another one?
Hey.
Oh, we're testing you this week. Here we go.
Honestly, I've no idea.
Well, I can't believe that halfway through that, the main character was mentioned and you still didn't get it.
No, because I won't listen.
Well, I'll tell you in 5 seconds from...
No.
Really no idea?
No.
It's that one.
Is it? Was it really?
Did you know what it was? It was...
The Mrs. Merton show. And I honestly had no idea what that was.
starring the great late Caroline Hearn as Mrs. Merton.
Right.
On to another one. You ready?
Yes, ready. Oh, no. Dog needs pushing.
We're going to give 5 seconds from...
No.
Oh, the dog's having a whale of a time here. What was it, mate? Come here. Come here.
Pie in the sky.
Pie in the sky.
Yes. Pie in the sky. Love that. Cracking.
Never watched it.
Absolutely cracking. Right,
And
next.
on to another one. Are you ready? If you're enjoying it, please do like, subscribe, share, comment below. Thank you, Elmo. Elmo will help us out there. And on to another one. Are you ready?
Yeah, you have to press the thing. Oh, that's bother that. Oh. That one.
Sorry about the dog. Okay. So if you got that, what was it? We'll tell you in 5 from...
No. And if you got that, you were very clever.
Starring Robson and Jerome and
Oh,
Denise
it-
Welch. It was
It was Soldier, Soldier. I never watched that. I've no
a
idea.
great series.
Yeah,
Absolutely brilliant.
Never seen it.
Absolutely brilliant. I'm sure you can get it streamed somewhere. It is
Oh, I'm sure.
superb.
I'm sure you can. What's the time?
It's
Barlow
Barlow time!
Barlow fact of the
Missed
week.
it. Hang on, let's try this again. Let's try this again.
Alright.
Come on. Are you ready?
What's the
What's the
time?
It's Barlow time!
Yay! The Barlow fact of the week. Go.
The Barlow fact of the week is this. Ken Barlow had 2 children, Peter and Susan. But did you know Susan was married to Ken's nemesis, Mike Baldwin? And she was also the mother of... No?
No.
Adam, who is the solicitor in Coronation Street. Coronation Street had a cat. We've got a dog, which you may have noticed.
Cats are a lot
Likes to make an
quieter.
appearance.
Lot quieter.
So are tortoises. Anyway, that's the Barlow fact for this week.
Yay!
Here we go, here's another one.
Right, next one.
He's thinking.
Go on.
It was, we'll tell you what it was in 5 seconds from...
No.
And it was
The British Empire.
the British Empire with the brilliant Chris Barry. Absolutely brilliant, that comedy. Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely fabulous. Absolutely brilliant.
Next.
Looks like another one.
I'd like another one.
And after this one, we're going to have a lumpy bonus. Here we go.
I've got every one.
Beautiful piece of music and well worthy of the Ivor Novello Award.
Well
for
worthy
music.
for the 50 seconds it ain't wrong.
Yeah. Oh, you got to. So, ready for the 5 seconds from
No.
and the answer was, of course,
It was the Darling Buds of May. Now your lumpy bonus this week is who played Pop Larkin in the Darling Buds of May? Not Larkin thingy. The Darling Buds of Pop Larkin. Was it Bradley Walsh, David Jason, Ken Barlow, or Philip Franks? Comment below your answer.
we're not going to tell you.
Not going to
this
tell
time.
you. Comment below for your answer. Thank you.
Ready for your next one?
Next.
Yeah, we're on. I would like to leave this city. This old town don't smell too pretty, and I can feel the warning signs running around my mind. And when I leave this island, I book myself into a soul asylum, 'cause I can feel the warning signs running around my mind.
Here I go.
I stopped at that point so it didn't make it obvious. What was it? Do you know? 5 seconds from.
No.
And what was it? You lazy arse.
It was the royal family.
Brilliant, absolutely. I watched that over and over again. It's so funny. The great Ricky Tomlinson, Sue Johnston, Dave was played by Craig Cash, Ralph Little, and of course the late great Carolina Hearn, and Liz Smith, the late great Liz Smith, who played Nana. Such a great series. Are you ready for another one? This is the last one. Here we go.
Next.
And it was, of course, 5 seconds from.
No.
Okay, it was.
The Thin Blue Line.
Starring
I can see him, but I can't think of his name.
Rowan Atkinson.
Him, yes.
Such a great comedy. Again, I think we've had a good pick of shows this from the 90s.
All them youngers coming in to watch us now.
And they still won't know what they are. But if you've enjoyed it, please do like, subscribe, put your comments below. Tell us what your favourite shows of the 90s were. Tell us what shows you would like us to talk about. Tell us what eras you'd like. Eras, E-R-A, eras, timelines you'd like us to talk about. And we will do our best to do it for you.
And Paul, I hope you enjoyed this week.
Yeah, good old Paul. Thanks, mate. Love you loads. Please do like, subscribe. And until next week, we'll say goodbye.
That's all, folks.